Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz, and if you're new around here, I do a lot of makeup, tutorials, beauty content, mainly tutorials though, so if that sounds like something you would love to continue seeing, I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and clicked on that notification bell. That will give you notifications every time I upload, which at the moment is Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, 3 days a week. Building up that content, that's what we're doing. So it is currently 8:10 on a Saturday night and I am filming a very exciting video. I have an unboxing to share with you of a brand new collection from Revolution. It is the Clueless collection and I am so stoked that I was able to get it. So let's just jump right in. The first thing that I want to show you guys are the makeup bags. How gorgeous are these? And when I say this is really good quality, I'm like, it's really good quality. It feels durable. It's got lots of space in it. Look at that. You can fit a lot in there. Trust me, I will. And this is really soft and squishy, and I love the pom-pom on there as well. So these are the two makeup bags that came with the collection. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I have opened this, I have had a look at it all, but I haven't swatched or opened the palette packaging or anything like that. So I'm very excited to share this with you. So as always, this is the gorgeous Glam Raider box. Super duper cool. Let's get into it. So we have the hair accessories that are shares. You have the headband and some red clips. Then we have the 3 lip glosses. Now I'm not gonna lie, I probably won't even open these. I know exactly who I'm giving them to. They're just not my thing. I'm not a gloss person. I think they're super cute, but yeah, we're not using these, but they will be going to a friend who will use. So because I bought the whole collection, I also was able to get my hands on the nails and I'm so excited. So I'm thinking that I will probably never wear these. I will probably hoard them, and if I do wear them, I will be saving them so that I can wear them again and again and again. That's just who I am, and I'm sorry. But we have the red ones. These are ties. We have the black ones. These are Dion's, and then we have the yellow ones, and they are shares. Along with the hair accessories, we have Dion's hair rings and a pink rose clip. I have never tried these before, but I'm excited. So I'm thinking when I do the videos for these palettes, because I have 4 to do, I will do my hair with the accessories. I think that'll just be a fun little side bit. And then we have 3 scrunchies. These are Ties scrunchies, and I wear scrunchies in my hair all the time. I'm so excited. So I think they're super cute. Next up, we have the 3 lip liners, sorry. So we have shares, which I have watched a lot of reviews on, and I do feel like it's going to be way too light for my skin tone. I will use it, but if it's not my thing, I will probably gift it to one of my sisters. But I'm excited for these two, for Ty and Dion's shades. They're absolutely gorgeous. So I'm loving the pom-poms. It's taking me back to when I was at school, and Clueless came out when I was little. So like, this is 90s vibe. I love it. Next we have the black eyeliner with the black pom-pom. I'm really excited for this because this is meant to be a really thin point, like a really precise point. So I'm definitely excited to try that because we all know I love a good wing. And finally, before we move on to the palettes, we have this gorgeous mirror. I have had a handful of little, plain hand mirrors, but I haven't had one fancy like this before. And I'm super excited. I think this is probably going to feature in a few of my videos. Okay, so we're going to go through the 3 palettes first. So this is what Cher's palette looks like. It is super cute, follows with the yellow patterning, and it says Cher's wardrobe. and this is the colors of this palette. I love this, I love this, I love this. I just love it all. So we're going to do one look with this in future on its own, and I think it's super, super girly. I'm so excited. Next up we have Dion, and she is the cell phone, or the phone, calculator phone. I think it was just a cell phone. I can't really remember. But this is the inside of her palette, and I'm obsessed with this color. I cannot wait to use this. Like, that and that, obsessed. I love that. I love this color story. It's amazing. So last up for the mini palettes, we have the tape cassette, and this is Ty's palette. I can't believe I forgot what that was. So this is what this palette looks like, and I love this color story as well. I'm obsessed with this. I think this is going to come in handy very, very soon for upcoming Halloween videos. Although I'm not quite sure when this video is going to be posted, so we may already be past that, who knows. But yeah, I really, really love this. I love this color here. I love this, and I really like this. It's a unique, almost like a platinum gold. It's really, really... And then the last thing out of this whole collection that I'm going to share with you today is the palette. This is the Clueless As If palette, and I am just loving how it has been packaged as if it was a video cassette. I have so many videos packed away in storage boxes in my laundry. It's not funny. And I still have a handful of video players in my house that work. They're not plugged in or turned on, but they work. So this is what a video looked like, sort of, maybe a little bit smaller. Pretty sure my videos were bigger than that. But this is the As If palette. And this is what it looks like on the inside. How gorgeous is that? I'm obsessed with this purple. I love these. How pretty. And this yellow, oof, I cannot wait. I think what I'll do is I'll probably do like a 3 or 4 look video with this one, so you have a really good idea of the kinds of looks you can get if you can get your hands on this palette. But that is everything from this collection. Let me know down in the comments if you managed to get your hands on it. I would love to know. If you've done a video, please link it down below. I want to see it. I want to see the reviews. I want to see the makeup looks. I want to see all of it. Please. I hope that you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. I hope that you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video.